Now we are going through our second project, and in this lab we have major five of experiments. First, let me select the Wi-Fi for loading the packets. Yeah, the packets are loading. Now let me go to the browser and first experiment is to get the basic HTTP response. So let me copy this link address and paste it in my link. Yeah, now it shows I got the output of you have downloaded the file successfully. Let's go to my wireshark and stop the white packets. Now let me enter the filter. Yeah, so now you can see I have got the wireshark file packet which is loaded in my wireshark, and you can see the every details here of my wireshark, who's the host and what is the port numbers, and EIT is the default port number of HTTP, and what are the source and destination IP address, and etc. And this is the ASCII code which is present in the lab file. Now let me go to the second experiment. The second experiment is to get the HTTP conditional get response interaction. So according to the given instructions, here there is a link URL given. So by opening that URL, and let me copy that URL. After copying that URL, I am entering in that web address. Before entering, let me start again my wireshark capturing. Yeah, continue without saving, and my capturing is started. Now let me go to my browser and enter my, yeah, I got 5 lines HTML. Let me once refresh it. After that, let me go to and stop the packets in wireshark and play HTTP. Yeah, now you can see I have got the file which contains 5 lines of my code. Here you can see the ASCII code of that 5 lines, and you can see the port numbers and etc. information of that project. This is belongs to second project. And now let me go to the lab menu. Now we have a third project which is retrieving long documents. Actually, the TCP divides the long document into small. Now we can observe that in practically. Let me remove this filter and enter, and again start my packet loading without saving. Yeah, the packet loading is started. Let me go to retrieve lab menu. Yeah, I'm copying the link address, and let me paste this link address here. Yeah, see, you can see the output of this link address. There are so much written data in this. Let me refresh couple of times. Yeah, now let me go to the wireshark and stop the packet capturing. Now enter it. See, you can see there are 3 times the it is loaded, and because it is a long file, it will be divided into multiple files, and it is divided by the TCP protocol to get the, because the total data will not come at a once time. With the help of TCP protocol, the data is divided into 3 segments in this project. So you can see here practically. Now let's go to our fourth experiment. The fourth experiment is HTML documents with embedded objects. No, so according to the instruction, there is the URL given. Let me copy that link address and paste it. Before pasting, let me go, let me remove the filter and start packet capturing without saving. Yeah, the packet capturing is started. Now let's go to, and after copying the URL, let me enter it. See, there is some image and some icon is there. The image is loading. Yeah, the image is loaded. Now we can see this total information in our wireshark in the form of packets. Now let's go to wireshark and stop this and enter HTTP. See, you also got in the AI cover small JPG image which is in get method and also the main file, and it also showing the status which is OK state, which is my successful state, and also the Pearson which is logo in the PNG form, and also the image which is in JPG form. All we have got the information, and also every detail will be displayed here, and also with its ASCII code. It is the logo. In this way we completed the fourth experiment. Now the fifth experiment in lab 2 is authentication of HTTP protocol. So according to the instructions, after the clearing the cache, there is a URL given which is secured by the password. Let me copy this and let me first start this or removing the filter. After removing the filter, let me start the packet capturing. Yeah, the packet capturing is started. Now let me paste this URL. Yeah, the URL is pasted. Yeah, the password is already saved in my laptop. Let me sign in it. Yeah, now after signing it, I got the output page in which this page is password protected. If you are seeing this, you have downloaded the page correctly. Congratulations. Okay, now let me go to wireshark and stop this. Now apply HTTP protocol filter. Now you can see the responses. One is unauthorized, one is OK. Here you can see with the pages which is secured by username and password. Before entering that password, it is unauthorized, but after entering my password and username correctly, I got into OK state. It shows that unauthorized, it shows the basic responses which I have got when it is unauthorized and it's OK. And also you can see the complete information and port numbers below here, and there is ASCII code. In these methods we completed our lab 2. Thank you.